We have here Mother's Instant Detailer terry cloth and their clay bar to a flat piece. So we're going to test out this system and see how it works. So I only see a little bit of dark right there, but it's pretty clean otherwise. Now my hand, see how it shakes here? And here it's just smooth. Look at that, smooth running finger. And then here, you can see it stutters. You want to make sure your car is relatively clean and free of any kind of stones or debris that could ruin your paint. You want to remove all the under the surface stuff that you're not getting when you wash the car.